My name is Arthur Schneider. I'm actually a service advisor at Serra Ford Farmington Hills. I coordinate parts, technicians, customers, elevate their service experience when they bring their car in for service, all while making the customer's expectation top-notch. We have a lot of customers that come in specifically to see specific people here at the dealership. I've got pretty much a following just like everybody else in the industry. It's those customers that make it a better place to work. I've been with Ford Motor Company over 15 years, and I enjoy dealing with customers and taking care of them, managing their expectations and getting cars safely down the road. My hobbies include spending any and all time outdoors. I enjoy spending time with my 15-year-old son and my family. We've got a lake house in Dexter. We go fishing. A lot of people don't know that I went to school to be a chef. My family kind of followed my lead after I got out of the culinary industry, so my family's very much into different foods and smoking and deep frying. We actually have a crab boil that my family's put on for 20 plus years. My family likes to eat. My family likes to cook, and we like taking care of other people. My name is Arthur Schneider. I'm a service advisor at Serra Ford Farmington Hills. We are here for you at all times. You need anything at all, give us a call. We'll take care of you.